Hey, what's up, guys, girls, YouTube world? Hey, this your boy SGP back at you one more time. Uh, Doing a pickup and a new unboxing. Got some new things I've never seen before. Got an eBay pickup and a couple of retailer pickups. I'm trying to do these before I wear them, before I see them, so I can give you guys my initial reactions, things like that. If you like what I'm doing, always like, comment, subscribe, hit the little notification bell. Let me know what I'm doing down in the comments, man. If you like what I'm doing, if you see me mess up, because we doing one take wheelies around here. So it's late night tonight. I'm just trying to get these in. I think it's a pair in here that I need to clean up because I want to wear them before I get back out on the road. But no further talk from me. Hey, let's get right into it, guys. First pickup is an eBay pickup. As you see, box came busted open. It wasn't a pair I was expecting with the box, so an OG box, but I think I picked these up for a steal. I saw them on the gram. I commented on the guy's post, and it just so happened they popped up on eBay the next day, so I grabbed them. These came out of Illinois. So let's see what Illinois got for us today. So this how y'all do it, huh? Y'all just drop it in shopping bag, right? Don't need that box no more. Let's see what we got. Lebron 7 Lows, aka Lebron 7 Low Dunkmans. Let's see what we got on the other shoes. Honestly, probably not too bad. No shoe trees, no accessories, nothing like that. Let's check out this one first. Oh, damn. That's how we do it. One take wheelie, man. Y'all gonna see it. Put it in the comments. Let me know. See if y'all see that. See how the left shoe work. I'm not seeing too horrible. You know, air pocket still clean. We got dirty bottoms. Looks like just a light cleaning, and we can run these out. Size 9. Cause where I thought these were supposed to be a 9.5. I have to check that, after I get back off of here. Let's see. See if y'all can see that one. Not too bad. Still got the lace tips intact. All that kind of stuff. Dirty bottoms. I don't really trip about dirty bottoms because, people not going to see them. A little bit of heel drag. But overall, yeah, very clean. I'll take this pickup. I think I got these for a steal too. I think like $60, 60, 70 bucks shipped. Like I say, no OG box. I don't know if there's any accessories that come with it. If there was any accessories, you guys got the OG pair with everything. Hey, let me know in the comments. LeBron James on the shoelaces. Got dirty insoles, got hair on the insoles. But, I do this, I clean these up, So that's not going to be a problem. Yeah, these going to get rocked this week. Alright. Let's throw those to the side. Get these bags out the way. I guess that's how we do it on eBay now, right? You know what I'm saying? We're going to go into a little bit more anticipated pickups. These are new pickups. Something I got on online retailers. I'm trying new things this year. I just don't want to be that guy that's, Jordan is everything, Nike is everything, because it's coming down right now to, it's a lot of fighting in the marketplace. Adidas is coming up, Reebok is trying, Asics, New Balance. There's a debate over, I guess, quantity or quality. It's a guy on the gram. I've been watching this page, and he made some interesting comments. For what we pay for Jordan brand products. The other products out there that are making maybe even better quality products with their materials, their craftsmanship, for lesser price. So why are we always going crazy for Jordan brand? Is it just the silhouette or the hype? So this year, I'm trying to expand out and get some things that I wouldn't normally get. Alright? And these next two pickups are an example of that. Let's go with this one. We picked this one up out of Packer shoes. Never dealt with Packer shoes before. Actually, funny story, I thought I overpaid for these shoes because I saw them. I know going for this type of shoe, I would have to go to not the normal box retailer. And I thought I overpaid. But when I come to find out, this pair sort of did the best and sort of sold out. So let's see what we got. There were two pairs on the site that I was like, oh man, like I want to try these. Yeah, retail was $130. And I was like, well, if I can only get one, I need to make sure I get the pair that I really, really want. Because this is a pair I'm going to floss this summer. Get that box out of here. Pair of Asics. You see the style code. Cover of the box. We got a Gel-Lyte MT Cream, size 9.5. Style code is HL7ZO, if that's right. Really anticipating to see these in hand. And bam, that's what they are. So I'm really a boot guy. Job requires me to wear a lot of boots. I don't really do low tops a lot. Definitely don't do high tops. You know what I'm saying? That mid-cut look is for me. And this would be, I guess, the version of a mid-cut Asics. You got the cream. Oh man. Of course, these are dead stock. $130 for the retail. I actually did pay retail for these. Got the gray up front. Hints of a pink. Light cream. Cream laces. Looks like the Gel-Lyte 3 with the split on the tongue, but it's got that full booty. I really don't like the Gel-Lyte 3 just because that split. I'm gonna have to try out a pair, but I think this may be a cross between the 5s with the 3 tongue. I'm not sure. New to Asics, trying new stuff. Got the pull tab on the back, which is white, all white bottom. Oh yeah, I like these, man. More like a salmon color on them. On that back. Got the Gel-Lyte on the back tab. So, it's definitely going to be a casual summer shoe. Something I can wear all the way through summer. Up until, it might even be I think Easter is coming up. I'm so bad with months and days, guys. But Easter's coming up, so this would be perfect for the season. Perfect. Alright. So that's pair number 2. I actually like the quality on these, man. I don't know if you guys can see this, but see if we can get a little bit closer look. Yeah, that's a good. I don't know if it's nubuck, suede, or what, but this is butter, man. This is soft. Okay, I see what the guy on Instagram was talking about now. You know what I'm saying? This is I know it's a lesser price shoe, but I don't feel like it's a lesser quality shoe. So he's definitely gonna have to get hit with some Crep Protect or some type of protectant to keep that all clean. If I didn't show you guys, pink on the insides. So yeah, the Gel-Lyte MT boot. Right. Let's get into this last one, cause we're not gonna try to hold y'all too long on it. Pick up the little BS knife. This one came out of Footlocker. So like I was telling you before, I thought I overpaid for these, or I thought I overpaid for the cream pair. If I had a choice, I went for the cream pair instead of a couple different other colorways. Then I'm looking around, I'm like, oh man. See the box code there? So you know me, I can't do one colorway. I got to, if I like something, I try to get it in different colors. So this one was actually on sale. Bam. Right. Let's get all of them out. Bam. That's what we doing. This one we got the brown, or excuse me, the blue. What was the colorway on this one? HLZ719797. This is carbon. Okay. Carbon. Got the blue on the front. Goes to the gray shoelaces, to the light blues on the back, grays on the back, that same butter suede. Oh man, I say suede, nubuck, whatever it is. Let's see if you guys can tell. You know, the longer the hair, the better it's gonna sit out. So I don't know if you guys can see that. You know, like how that, yeah, that's a nice grade right there. You know, I think I got this one for maybe around $80. This pair was on sale on footlocker.com. I went for the first pair just to make sure I got that color. And then I'm snooping around on the internet. I'm like, oh man, these are on sale. So I was gonna get these at the same time, but I was like, you know, but it lucked out. So basically both pairs were around $200 shipped. That's not a bad deal. Man, I don't know which one I like more. You know, cause I'm a blue freak. You're gonna see a lot of blue shoes. Man, but that is nice, man. I can't start rubbing that. That's crazy. Of course, got the blue, light blue insides. See if you guys can see that. We're gonna try to give you guys some more close-up pics. All white on the bottom with the blue tip. Had the gray tip on that one. Oh man. That's nice, dude. That's nice. So that's what we're doing this year, trying to pick up new stuff. This is my third pair of Asics. Yeah, obviously it won't be the last, because I'm kind of blown away by the quality of these. I'm gonna try to pick up a little bit more exclusive stuff. I do have a sneakers and stuff collab somewhere in the room. Next up is probably a Saucony or a New Balance to check how their quality is. I like Saucony styles. Nubuck, I don't know, that end on the side just do something for me that it don't work for me. You know, if New Balance didn't have that end, maybe so. But hey, but that's it for today, guys. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on social media, Instagram, Twitter at SoleGameProper. Let me know how I did in the comments. Let me know if you like the setup in the back. Hey, anything, man. Just let me know. We out here trying to build with you guys. Let me know anything you got for future content. Hey, just holler at me. Hey, but I ain't gonna talk your head off. So, SoleGameProper, man. I'm out.